Hi everyone, so this week's design is actually going to be done using all of my own indie polishes, so the link is below for anybody in the UK to purchase some. So we started with black, and this is Nightshade. Now over the top we're going to use a new magnetic polish, so this is Mardi Gras, and it's coming 1st of February, which this video might be up before then or not, I'm not sure. So we're just going to apply this over the black. We're being a little bit generous with the covering of it, and then we're going to put the magnet over the top to get the kind of cat's eye type effect. So next we're going to use the white, which is called Snowdrop, and we're going to start doing the kind of star pattern. So we're using a striper brush dipped in the white, and on each nail I've just randomly done 2 of these kind of larger stars, so essentially I've just made crosses, as you can see there. And then using a dotting tool we're just going to do some random size dots all over the nail. For the last part of this design we're going to use shade Aurora and apply that over the whole nail.